Recently, dental tourism has grown more popular with a lot of people choosing to visit destinations such as Turkey to get affordable dental treatment. A common treatment that patients frequently seek out abroad is dental fillings. These can be used to repair dental teeth affected due to decay. In this clip, we'll compare the cost of fillings for dental purposes in Turkey as well as Europe for you to determine if traveling to Europe to get dental treatments could be a feasible option for you. Cost of dental fillings in Turkey. Turkey is now a sought-after tourist destination because of its top-of-the-line dental treatment with a lower price compared to other European countries. Cost of dental fillings in Turkey differs based upon the kind of filling material and degree of difficulty involved in the process. The cost for a dental filling made of composite in Turkey is between $50 and $100 for each tooth. However, the price of amalgam filling is a little lower and ranges from $30 to $60 for a tooth. The prices for amalgam fillings are considerably lower than those of fillings for dental cavities in European countries, which makes Turkey an appealing option for those seeking to cut costs on their dental treatment. Additionally, a lot of dental centers located in Turkey provide package deals to dentists that includes not just the price of treatment, but also accommodation and transport. It makes getting dental treatments in Turkey much more affordable and easy for patients. Cost of dental fillings in Europe. Contrary with Turkey, the dental procedures in Europe are quite costly and make it hard for many people to pay for the necessary dental treatment. Cost of dental fillings in Europe differs based on the location and kind of filling material that is used. The cost for a dental filling made of composite in Europe is between $100 and $200 for a tooth. However, amalgam filling is less expensive and ranges between $80 and $150 for each tooth. The prices for these fillings are much higher than the ones in Turkey, which makes dental procedures available in Europe more expensive for those who have limited resources. It's worth noting that a few European nations may provide subsidized or even free dental treatment to certain people like pregnant women, children, and those with lower incomes. But they tend to be limited in their extent and might not be able to cover the costs of advanced dental procedures like fillings for teeth. Conclusion. The cost of fillings for dental purposes in Turkey is considerably less expensive than Europe, which makes it an appealing option for those who want to cut costs on their dental treatment. High-quality dental treatment as well as affordable costs, Turkey has become a well-known destination for those looking for cost-effective solutions to their dental requirements. If you're thinking of traveling to get dental care, it is essential to look into clinics both in Turkey as well as Europe to locate one that is suitable for your requirements and financial budget. Also, take into consideration aspects like travel costs, accommodation, after treatment when you make your choice. In the end, the dental tourism industry is a viable option in Turkey, is a feasible and cost-effective option for those looking for dental fillings or other treatments for the mouth. Thanks to its affordable costs and top-quality services, Turkey continues to be the top option for dentists from all over the globe.